Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SolidWorks well on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the circle from origin to circle draw. Now give the dimension circle. This circle dimension 30 and this circle dimension 20. Now draw the line here. Select. Now this line dimension 70. Okay. Now go to draw the center line here. Go to mirror this circle and this circle about center line. Okay. Now draw the line here again. Select. Select. This line control this line equal. Now go to again smart dimension. This line and this line distance 50. Okay. Now draw the circle draw here. This circle control this circle tangent. This circle control this circle tangent. Now just move here. Just move here. Now draw the again here circle. Select. Now go to trim tools, cut here. Okay. Now draw the line here. Select. Just move here and here. Select. Now go to trim tools, cut here. Okay. Now this point and this line distance 40. Now this circle dimension no need. This circle dimension 40. This circle dimension 30. Okay. Now select here. Now this line dimension 5. Select. Now select this line midpoint. Control this point vertical. Okay. Now just here moving. Just here moving. This point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 20. Okay. Now go to again here extrude. Now here extrude 50. Okay. Now this extrude 50, 50 and 20. Total 80. Okay. Now go to again here select. Now here 50. Now direction to here select 20. 20 or 30. Go to isometric view. Now go to here select plain white. Now here select shaded. Now go to again here select color. Now I am going to select blue. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.